Okay, I'm going to just explain a couple quick things. We talked about, why we have a station block, a system block, a station cable block, and a DMARC, and why they're separate. First of all, when you mount your system, you're going to find your spot for it, and we talked about you having a 25 pair Amphenol coming out of it. Your cable, you want to get it dressed over, and put it on your system block. This is only for your system stations and your system CO lines, okay? I'll call them CO ports, station ports. Your stations are your extensions, your telephones. Your CO ports, which are right here, if you want to show this, the way that this system's laid out, and I think your system is a little different. I think this 25 pair Amphenol cable carries all your CO ports and it carries all your telephone station ports. This system has all of the station ports on the 25 pair cable, and it has its CO ports on these RJ11. So you've got CO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go ahead and move back. I want to show you something on this. Then on this Amphenol cable, like I said, a lot of times some systems don't have these CO ports. Some systems, being that this is a 25 pair cable, some systems line up their CO ports maybe on the first 6 pair, or if it's a 3 line or a 6 line, maybe their CO ports are up here on the first 6 pair, and then their station ports are on the rest of the pairs. The basic premise of this is that this block is only going to be used for this telephone system, this switch. This block is going to be used for your station cabling. Station cabling being the cable that runs from this block out to your telephones, your fax machines, credit card machines, anything that's going to carry a dial tone from here or station signal from the phone system. Then this is going to be our DMARC block, which you don't put station cable on this, and you don't tie anything from the phone system to your DMARC. Your DMARC is supposed to stay clean. You can look here. I don't have the cover on it. This DMARC is from the telephone company. This I always call the street side. This side is the street side. The telephone company brings in their lines on the left side of a DMARC block. You'll see a little bit different, and they do it wrong a lot with different stores and things like that. But your DMARC street side, which is your telco side, is always on the left, and I've got this marked line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6. I don't label the line numbers on here because those change. And what you're going to do is you're going to use jumpers. This cable is going to come off. It's just temporary for something. You're going to use jumpers, and you're going to bring those jumpers on this side, and you're going to run jumpers over to the CO ports coming out of the phone system. And that's how you're going to connect your lines. And you're going to use bridge clips in between here to get to here to run your jumper over to this system. Your station cabling, this goes out to desks and wall phones and things like that. You're going to punch down. It's important. Go ahead and pull back on this, but that's good. It's important to punch down all 4 pair on your station cabling, and I'll explain why in a minute. I'm going to punch down a couple station cables here. These are just 01, 02, 03, 04. And you see I have them marked. I've got 4 pairs, 4 pairs, 4 pairs. Some people just punch down 1 pair of their station cable because they say, well, this phone system only uses 1 pair, so why punch down all pairs? You punch down all pairs because you might end up in the future needing the yellow pair or the orange pair. Yellow, where'd that come? The orange pair, the green pair, the brown pair, because maybe a blue pair goes bad, which is not normal. But what ends up happening is they add a telephone or a fax machine or a credit card machine. And then all you have to do is at the other end, at the equipment end, you have to take your orange pair, punch it down on a jack, plug your new telephone into it, take this orange pair, run a jumper over here, run that jumper over to, let's say, your station port for your phone system, and there. That's why you always punch down your station cables, all 4 pair, because you might need them in the future, and that's real important. Don't ever bring a station cable and punch it down onto a port termination coming out of a phone system. That's totally wrong, because if you take the station cable and punch it down over here, and the person that sits at this station 101, let's say that station is extension 101, and you've got this cable over here punched down with just the blue pair, then what happens if this person moves over to where another desk is, and now you have to actually pull this station cable off and move it over to the new location, and what if it's too short? Or all kinds of things. That's why you see these backboards become a mess, because people don't do it right. So, back up a little and I'll recap this. Your Amphenol cable is carrying your stations, your telephone stations. I'm going to take a cable and I'm going to plug it into these. I'm going to put RJ11s on the end of these, and I'm going to take these and I'm going to get them over to our telephone. Because remember, the way a phone system works, it's just a little distribution box. That's all it is. Signals come in from the CO company, the central office. A call comes in on dial tone. It comes in to this system right here. It comes into the CO ports. Then, this is just a distribution system. Then it pushes that signal out to a telephone. You can have 3 lines on a system, and you can have 10 telephones. But you can't have more than 3 outside conversations going at once if all you have is 3 lines. But you could have all 8 telephones talking to each other within an office without worrying about the CO lines. So, again, it's just a distribution. Your CO ports come in from the outside. There's the DMARC. They're going to end up here. It comes into the phone system from the telephone company, and it goes out to your telephones. And then I'll show you how we go from the station ports on the phone system to your station cabling in your office. Okay? I'll do that in a second.